So in this video I'll show you how to create a list of abbreviations, and this is the easiest way because you can do it while writing your document. So for example, if I have this abbreviation IPCC, so for making the abbreviation I have to first select IPCC. After selecting it, I'll go to this references option. Here in references, I have to find this mark citation. I'll click on mark citation. This box opens. In mark citation, you can see it's written selected text. So selected text. After this, I will put a colon, semicolon, or hyphen, whatever you want. After this, you will write the full form of this abbreviation. So after this, we have to select a category. So this comes under table of authorities, the abbreviations, but we can click on select categories and change the name to abbreviations or list of abbreviation or table of abbreviation if you want it to be that way, and then click on replace and then OK. After this, we have to click on mark and then close it. So if you will turn, if your show height formatting option is turned on, you will find this little code here, full form of this abbreviation. You can, when you turn this code off, the formatting is gone, and then you will find the abbreviation is written as it is, and then click onto an empty space wherever you want to insert the list of abbreviation. So maybe it's in the beginning. So now we will insert the list of abbreviation, and then for that again we'll go to references, and next to mark citation there is this little symbol which says, if you put your cursor on it, it says insert table of authorities. Click on this. I'll select the classic style and select OK. So here you can see abbreviations, and it's on page number 1. Not only it will show you abbreviations, but also the page on which this abbreviation is mentioned. So if you have a larger document, as you can see, I have this 200-page document. If I will go on to this and insert the table of authorities and click OK, you can see this method comes in really handy, and all these abbreviations automatically come alphabetically arranged. So in a larger document this is really convenient. Rather than doing everything manually, you can use this method, and this will save you a lot of time. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful.